I just realized, you know, I didn't record the session, so I'm recording the few minutes left. So it happens, you know, to forget about the recording. All right, so okay, let's take care of the first one. What you gonna do first? Somebody.
Subtract 3 from both sides.
All right, subtract 3. So 7 log base 3 of 2x minus 1 is equal to 16, and then divide by
7.
All right, okay, divide by 7. So we get log base 3 of 2x minus 1 is equal to 16 over 7. Okay, now comes the main step, which is what?
You flip the things and push. You flip the 6 over 7 with the 2x minus 1 and then push it up and remove the log and push it up, you know?
Yeah, okay, tell me what to do exactly. Tell me exactly the expression you got. You get?
One sec.
Tell me exactly the expression you got. 3?
Can I
3.
help?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Okay, no problem. We're gonna have 2x minus 1
Uh-huh.
equal to
Uh-huh.
3
Uh-huh.
to 16 over 7.
Exactly. You get
Now
2x minus 1 equal 3 to the 16 over 7. And then
we're gonna add 1 from both sides.
we get 2x equal to 3 to the 16 over 7 plus 1, and then divide by?
2.
Divide by. All right. Okay. You see, that is the steps. Again, this is the main step right here. This is the main step. That is the step we need to remember. Okay, somebody else other than Carlton and Sharif. Somebody else. Tell me the steps.
Add 3 to both sides.
So we get 2 ln of 1 minus 5x is equal to 14. And then what you do?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2, so you get ln of 1 minus 5x is equal to 7. And then now comes the main step, which is?
E to the power of 7 is equal to 1 minus 5x.
Exactly. Thank you very much. E here, ln is log base E. That is why we get this. And now you're going to solve for x. What you do?
Subtract 1 from both sides.
We get negative e to the 7 minus 1 is equal to negative 5x. And then finally?
Divide by negative 5.
So we get x equal e to the 7 minus 1 divided by negative 5. That is exactly right. Okay? Thank you. And then somebody else, other than Zainab, and I have somebody else. I subtract 6, right? So you get ln. So how about here for a change? You know, don't change what you did. I'm going to just change this equation. I put log, right? Because we already did ln. Why you just put log just for that? So you get log of 8x plus 13 is equal to negative 1. Now the exponential form will be, what's going to be the exponential form here? Somebody tell me. I mean, you can tell me even if, you know, everybody. What is the exponential form here?
Okay, go ahead.
I change it to log. You know, don't change your work. I just change it to log because we just did ln, right? I change it to log. So the exponential form will be what?
Log cannot be negative.
I mean, log can be negative.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, log can be negative, no problem.
1, right?
10 to negative 1, thank you. 10 to negative 1 is 8x plus 13, right? Because every time the base is missing, it means it is base 10, right? Every time the base is missing, it is base 10. Now you solve for x, we get x equal 10 to negative 1 minus 13 divided by 8, right? You see, these are the equations that you're going to have in this topic. Equation like this for the exponential or logarithmic equations, or equation like this for exponential equations. In O83, we will not ask you something different. We will not, okay, in O83. All right. So when we come back after the break, we're going to do the very, very last section, which is about some application problems. You're going to see the exponential growth, exponential decay, you know, some log applications. That's going to be our last stuff. And then, like I said, we're going to review after we that, you know, when we come back, we're going to do the Tuesday. We're going to do the very last section Tuesday. After the Tuesday, we're gonna start reviewing for the final exam. Okay, we're gonna start reviewing for the final exam. You know, because everybody needs some refresher. You know what we did, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. We need that. You know, to refresh our memories. Okay. All right, everybody. So I'm gonna dismiss the class today. I wish you like a good break, holiday break, and then see you next week. And then do not forget, you know, you have to keep this material fresh in your mind. You have the application, the practice problems in the practice problem for test number 3 in Brightspace, on Brightspace. Please do them, right? You see, at least these are the topics, right? Of course, you know, when we say practice problems, we don't put like 20 problems. It's not 20, only few of them. But what is important is the topics, okay? The topics. What you take from it, the zeros. I just gave you one example. If you have free time, feel free to practice like 5 of them, 10 of them, right? You have a textbook. Rational equations, I just gave you one example. Again, if you have free time, practice more. You know, quadratic inequalities, I gave you just 22 of them. Practice more. Rational inequalities, I just put 1. Practice more, etc., etc. What I put here are the topics. Okay. If you want more practice, you have access to the ebook. Feel free to practice more. All right, everybody. See you in a week.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. All. Have a good break.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everybody.
Professor,
Yes.
I just want to confirm like the final exam will be like November 13th, right?
The final?
Yeah, the final exam.
November. Okay, I you know I have to look at the syllabus. Are you looking at the syllabus right now?
Yeah, it's the same as say November 13th. It's next Tuesday.
No, that's the test number 3 is November 30th.
Oh yeah.
That's the test number 3.
Okay.
The final
and we're
exam.
Gonna have the final.
The final exam is different. The final exam is December what? Is December 16th.
December 16th. Okay.
Yeah, 16th. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Okay. See you. Bye.